Remember back in the days, kung meron kang phone na ito, si Nokia 8210, sobra kang sikat. It's a very rare few people na meron na itong phone na ito. It was quite expensive back then, more than 10,000 pesos just to own a phone like this. Thinking about it, of course, syempre, parang ang mahal na back then. Back in the day, sobrang yung sarap gamitin. And lalo na kung meron ka nito, sikat ka sa klase. Now, today, papakita ko sa inyo ang revival series of Nokia 8210 4G. Would it still be the same Nokia 8210 that you remember before? Or has it improved? Would it be your next daily driver? Or even just a backup phone inside your pocket? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Hi guys, I'm Pastor mo ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. This is the Nokia 8210 4G. So unbox muna natin tong Nokia 8210 na 4G. I know na when you have this phone back then, sobrang kang sikat, 8210, dyan ako lumaki. And the design is not that far from the original one. Medyo lumaki lang siya and probably colored ng kanyang screen. And here are some specs na may expect mo dito. 2.8-inch na display, up to 6 hours na talk time and 27 days na standby time. 4G connected na siya and meron siyang FM radio. VGA and rear camera niya, may Bluetooth siya, micro USB charging, may game siya, and micro SD card up to 32 gig of expansion. Plus, of course, flashlight. Buksan natin. So we have your standard na micro USB charger, nostalgic. We have your user guide. We have your battery over here, which is a BLL4E, 1,400 milliampere hours and, well, 5.5 watt hour. Meron ba siyang free headset, oh? Labas na natin na phone. Here we go. Wow. Nokia 8210. Keypads are here. Okay, this is the navigation button. Call and end call, some of the menus on the sides. This is how it looks. Sa ilalim, well, very simple lang siya. Just the micro USB charging port. On the other sides, clear. May torch ka dito and of course audio jack. Sa likod, your VGA camera, Nokia logo, and of course, probably this is your loudspeaker. Buksan lang natin. So sa loob, kita natin SIM 1, SIM 2, both are nano SIM. And here is the micro SD tray, which can support up to 32 gigs of expansion. Then dito mo rin nilalagay yung battery. So ikabit lang natin yung battery. And isara. We're good to go. So of course, gusto natin i-boot up para mapakinggan lang natin yung startup tone nitong phone na ito. So here it goes. Remember that sound? Ay, grabe. Kung meron ka niyan dati, no, talagang lahat ng phone, pag-boot up, pare-pareho sound niya. And mahalala ko pa, no, dati color yellow pa ang screen nito, ang ganang backlight na kailangan mo pang palitan ng white na LED bulb para just to make it white ang ganang screen. But otherwise, it comes in color yellow na sometimes hindi na ganun ka-attractive. But of course, what can you expect back then? Itong phone na ito is being powered by the Unisoc T107 ng 22mm. And itong phone na ito is being powered by the Unisoc T107. It's a 22 nanometer chip. Ang kanyang speed do is 1 GHz sa Cortex-A-7. And before, it used to be pag lock is itong home button, then dito. And ganito din pag unlock. But this time around, ang pag-lock nito dito na sa asterisk button, no? So, yan ang only way to lock this one. And unlock is like the classic. Same pa rin. Now, itong phone na ito has a TFT LCD screen. 2.8-inch ang ganang screen. 32% ang screen-to-body ratio. Now, itong phone na ito can display up to 240p and it has a 143 ppi density. Now, itong phone na ito is very light inside the pocket. It's just 107 grams. It can support dual SIM and of course, kaya pa na maglagay ng expansion dito. Now, itong phone na ito comes in 3 colors. Either go for sand blue or red. Then, ang battery dito sa likod is a removable battery, 1,450 mAh, And removing the back case is just like that. Ang simple lang. Kukulang kailangan mo, no? And this is how it looks like dito sa loob. Tanggalin lang natin battery dito. Back in the days, this is what we do. Tanggal battery. And this is the SIM 1 slot. This is the SIM 2 slot. And dito, ang micro SD card slot. Up to 32 gig ang kaya na expand for you. Ang battery niya pala dito is a BLL4E. Okay, so 3.8 volt, 5.5 watt-hour ang meron niya. So, medyo different na siya, no, sa dating sikat na BL5C. Pagbalik ng back case, it's also that easy. Snap. Now, quickly checking some menu inside. Dito sa side button na ito, you can lock your keypad, settings, alarm clock, flashlight, music, radio, file, snake, and calculator. Pagpasok mo ng menu, meron kang call history, contacts, gallery, internet, messaging, camera, si Facebook, andito, si Snake. How can I forget Snake? No? Talaga sobrang sikat na back then. Radio, music, video, settings, of course, Oxford, then Tetris, and racing, car attack, blackjack, calculator, alarm clock, more games, voice recorder, and extras. May torch pa siya, files, and counters, then calendar na dyan. Ito is isa mga pinakagustong gamitin ko before, no? Ang ganyang calendar. Quite nostalgic. So, quickly checking ka ng gallery. So, tinry naman natin magkuha ng kunting shots, no? But you don't expect anything good from a 0.3 camera na, 0.3 MP na camera. So, well, medyo wash out. Maputi, no? Ganun lang mga makukuha talaga ng camera na ito. So, let's just quickly play a quick game ng Snake. Okay? So, this is how we do it back then, back in the good old days. Okay? So, pahaba na ng pahaba sa Snake. Grabe, dati nakaka-addict to eh. Okay, so this is basically the Snake game before. So, kung once na nakagat mo yung sariling buntot, you're dead. Okay, so ganito. Kung once sumama ka sa sarili mo, it's game over. Now, what's nice dito is meron pa siyang FM radio na pwede mong gamitin, no? Insert headset para better ang kanyang performance. Definitely. The calculator is also another useful. Let's just say 1 plus 1. Magellan. Yan. 2 ang sagot. So right now, lagyan natin ng SIM card para medyo matest natin, no? So paglagay ng SIM card, it's just like that. Then, sasara mo lang, then ilalak mo. Before, it used to be slide-in lang, no? Ngayon, medyo iniba nila content design. Yan. So, ganito lang. Nakalock na siya. Medyo limited ang kanyang function, no? Lalo na kung wala kang internet dito sa phone na ito. Kasi walang wifi din pala siya, guys. So, itong phone na ito is voice over LTE ready. Makita nyo dito, no? VoLTE. So, meaning, kayang-kaya na niyang i-support si Tito. So, try lang natin, no? Going over to the internet. So, makita natin we're using Opera Mini. Kailangan mong install muna, no? Let's just take a while. So, medyo, no? Kinakalawang na ako using this one. But, of course, how can I forget browsing dati, no? 2G, 3G, grabe, those days, sobrang bagal na internet. Mabibwisit ka lang before, no? Unlike now, 5G ang bilis ng mga internet natin, no? Tingnan natin, no, how it looks like kung mag-load ito NBA.com. Medyo matagal mag-loading, dito sa phone na ito. So, yan, kita natin, no? This is how it looks like. So, medyo mapaantay ka lang ng konti, no? But even though this one is a 4G LTE, medyo hindi ganun kabilisan ng internet, no? Probably medyo slow lang ang internet din dito ng globe sa loob ng bahay. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you're browsing through internet. And pwede naman natin buksan si Google. Okay, search engine. Okay, so that's how it look like sa browser. Now, pagdating sa camera, very basic function. Either you can take video, photo, or portrait, no? So, basically, si Facebook, ipoport in ka lang din naman, no? Pabalik ng Opera Mini. And all you need to do is key in your mobile number and password. Then, makakapag, ka na dito. Use a very, very basic na Facebook service. So basically, adding music dito is medyo old school. You need to put it to your micro SD. Maglagay nyo ng mga MP3 yan na malulog dito sa music player na ito. Hindi siya tulad ng iba na over the internet. This one is a very basic, yung back to the old school. Now, if you take a look at some more games niya, ito ang mga meron yan. No? So, itong directional button niya, no, meron kanya-kanya mga function din. Pressing to the right, meron siyang calendar. Pressing to the other side, messaging. Pressing down, andyan mga numbers na nakasave sa contacts. And pressing up is wala nangyari. Now, let's just quickly compose a message dito. So, try na natin mag-type para medyo nostalgic. Gadget. Pag nagkamali ka, nakakatamad, yan. Yan. So, ganito lang ka-easy mag-type. But of course, ako, sanay na ako before. Ngayon, para medyo refresher lang. Kaya, okay, mabilis pa rin na mag-type. But if you're the people from itong generation using a phone like this one, I don't think masasanay kayo. Might have a hard time. Now, guys, you might be asking me kung okay pa ba to have a phone like this. But definitely, yes. Kasi it's just around 3,300 pesos. I'll be posting on the link below kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito. No? It's a very nice backup phone. Reliable, pantawag, pang basic browsing. Of course, don't expect too much kanyang camera. But ang battery life niya, matagal-tagal ang kanyang battery life. Kaya magtagal ng roughly 1 week standby time. If you use it pang calls, siguro mga 3 days, kaya naman niya magtagal. Kasi makunat talaga mga batteries ng Nokia, even back in the days. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon para hindi nyo miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. So ako pala si Richard and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?